And Mr. Beamish, another fine day to head off to work.
It most certainly is, Mr. Mooney. We'll get a check of the morning rush with Melanie momentarily. First, though, your commute cast and a live look outside. This is our News 4 Tucson Skynet cam. Atop the Nova Financial Center, you're looking at the intersection of Broadway and Wilmot. And for that morning rush, sunshine prevails. Low 70s at the moment. Heading for the mid-90s this afternoon. Daytime highs a few ticks above average for this time of year. Main weather story today, though, gusty winds developing out of the southwest, 20 to 30 miles per hour. Nighttime lows bottoming out in the 50s, 60s, and possibly a few 70s here in Tucson city limits. Here's your hour-by-hour wind forecast, and the breezes start to kick up late morning into the early afternoon hours, gusting as high as 30 miles per hour and then decreasing once we head towards sunset. That sun going down these days around 6:20. Once we get beyond that point, lighter winds will prevail. Cranking up the Sonoran wind machine, we have a cold front that's cutting down the west coast at this time. Not a lot of moisture associated with this storm system, though. Water vapor imagery shows orange and dark gray, and what that indicates is dry air at the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. So we are not expecting any rain out of this system, but we will get a big time cool down. And the reason we call it a big time cool down is the fact we haven't been in the 80s, a prolonged period of the 80s, for quite some time. In fact, the daytime highs Saturday through Wednesday more suited for the first couple of weeks of October and not the last couple of weeks of September. We go mid-90s today, but 87 on Saturday. Look at the nighttime lows next week, mid to upper 50s in Metro Tucson. Hello, fall.